A very good morning to all of you. My name is Sahil Tomar. Today we all are gathered here to discuss a topic that we all know that new government has been come in power. Now, what are the suggestions that we want to do to the government to do something in fields and what kinds of changes they have to do. So, in my opinion, government have to do work in many sectors. But firstly, I think government have to work on police reforms because if we see in a ground level, the common peoples has more fear with police. At least common people can't tell his curse to police because they think police is not their friend. They are just evil of they are make a image of police like a evil, and they are because if you go for a complaint file, any of complaint file to a police, you will see that police ask question to you. And in a Pune case recently, all of you think listen about the Porsche Pune case. In this, police officers offered pizza to a accused, and the person who killed two peoples, they offer pizza to him. And the second thing, police government have to work on cyber security also because our country has an image of scamster country in all over the world because until till we have 10 Indians who is the CEO of the top 10 IT companies. After that, we are making a scamster country because there is no cyber security because all the cyber cases comes in the under police, and police our police is not ready for that. So I think government has to work upon it.
And also we should work on civic sense. Like we all see Tokyo is also development country. Like in their city, there are lots of people who are following the rules and the regulations. If uh, if uh, if there is a red signal, they stop there for by themselves, and they follow all the rules. There are a lots of areas for smoke. Nowadays, everyone smoke on the roads and everywhere. But uh, in that city, they smoke at a particular place, not everywhere. So we should stop this and
And everyone, what I think, what's new government approach should be on which sector? I think in India, unemployment rate has crossed 8%. Now, India's approach should be work upon that because if huge a portion of youth are unemployment somewhere, it generates the crime. As my brother talked about it, police in the sector to make dwindleness in crime. If we reduce the unemployment rate in India, it would somewhere enhance the portion of crime. It would reduce it. And apart from unemployment sector, I must say that we need to work a lot of on our education system. As she talked about the civic sense, what is the best solution to implement it in social ground? That is the education system. How can Indian government do that? First, we need to work upon school, colleges, government schools, because now fees is increasing just like a climate change. Each percent 1% every year it is increasing. We need to enhance the infrastructure of schools, need to make digitalization in education system. And apart from that, practical education and skills are should be necessary for youth. That is the biggest cause, as I think, for the unemployment rate in India.
Hello, good morning. My name is Vineet Bagel, and I suggestion in new government. I I suggestion in new central government of India. Youth are not aware in Agniveer policy. These causes in Agniveer policy: no pencil, no victim status, and no political leader rule in 5 year, and soldier in work in only 4 year, and political leader in start and all good facilities with pencil with salary, and soldier is not fulfill all needs, family live in patrolling in border in Thar desert in 75 degrees Celsius, and Leh and Ladakh in 37 degrees Celsius face any problems, and government present in dictatorship in India. These bad.
So my name is Kuldeep Chauhan, and our today's topic is suggestion for the new government. So I would like to tell you, as my friend said, that there is a problem of unemployment. So the main cause, I think, so that the main cause of the unemployment is we have education, but we don't have that type of education which should be given. Because in our education, we are educated just in papers, because we don't have so much skills so that we can work in other countries when they need these type of work. They just need to skill, but we don't have skill. We are educated but not skillful. So I think in education skill should be there. So this can be the point. And as my friend said that in Agniveer we can see that in Agniveer they are just giving them 30,000 of salary, and they are deploying them in the very difficult situations like in Ladakh and Rajasthan, you can say. But when they are not getting so much salary, and if we talk about the MPs of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, you can say anything, and they are getting so much salary that 1 to 2 lakh rupees, and after that they are also getting the pension, and here they are not getting pension. So this is not fine. It should be, I think it should be changed. So this is my suggestion.
In my perspective, education is the most important. In my perspective, our new government should focus on education system, because in this time education fees is too large, and their pupils don't have money, their child can't study. So new government should decrease schooling and colleges fees, and we have I think so we have 1200 kendralay. So I have a solution for this. We should double kendralays, maybe 2400 kendralays. If we make so education system is come on label, so government should do this.
Nishadanga. So today I would like to add some points on this topic. So firstly, I would like to talk about our agriculture, and now firstly I would like to talk about our nature. We are just destroying our nature. We are always consider this like unemployment is very big issue in our country and all over the world. But I think destroying the nature is very big issue under the earth, and we should focus like to plantation, and we should focus the irrigation. Like if I am talking about the irrigation system, it should be done by badly, like they are just providing the water, that type of water they are already used by factories. They actually factories has released the chemicals water, and then that water went to the river and oceans. Then it should be it has to it is to be bad for our agriculture sector, for our nature. And now more candidates say like said, we should focus our agriculture system. Actually whatever we are studying, we are being taught by the education, by the Maculas education system that was implemented 1930s. It was the time of British colonial period, and actually that was the time they wanted to make Indian to be their servant, not to be aware of the things. They wanted to Indians to be a servant, and to be fool like that. they didn't want to Indians to be aware, to be enhance the critical thinking analysis. And now we are just and now we are taught this education system. So I think we should be we need to implement it most of the things in education system. As we can see, like Kerala have the 99 like 93 point something literacy rate. And but now I come to the point, India has the 76 point something literacy rate. But we should focus our education system. Why so many why so many skilled person are leaving our country? Why brain drain is increasing day by day? Because of is it something that's why they are leaving our country? It is something is fizzy in it. Actually, if we see like our Delhi, then EMC also EMC has been implemented already, but there are only few schools has been implemented EMC. Entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship, it is the skill of entrepreneurship. In this skill we have enhanced our analyzing skills and communication skills and finance skills.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepak Sharma. Uh, my opinion is education is the most important of every country's development. India's education system have many problems. In my opinion, first fault for this. Everybody know that in the session starting, parents force that buy the new book set. Everybody know that. Everybody know that new session parents buy new book set and school buy new book set is highly costed, and there is very harmful for environment. Everybody now America is a superpower country and his GDP in first position, but his education system that in the starting of new session school provided students the book set, and the end of finished session he take the book set for students, and next year he provide students that book set. So this is good for country's economy and environment, क्योंकि everybody know that books make the trees. Every time parents have buy new book set. This is very harmful for India's economy and India's environment. So this is very big fault for our education system and government.
Like I also want to add some points, like technology. Whenever we listen about technology, that technology is developing day by day. So like we all think that Australia, America, these countries are developing for their technology, but it's not true. China is the most developed country for as compared to other for technology. Like lots of we all see there are lots of scams has done had cyber crimes. Like we all see recent case NTA scam. We all listen about this. Why we are facing these scams? Because people are not aware of everything. Like they don't have the proper knowledge about data. We listen about TikTok is banned. Why? Because when we use TikTok, when were we using TikTok? TikTok was stealing our data. That time, that's why India government banned the TikTok. And also when we talk about technology, now our technology developed, and that's why AI is working in the basis of other people.
Hello everyone, my name is Kush Bharadwaj. I suggestion our government should be focus on education employment rate and unemployment rate. So uh, our country unemployment is decreases increases sorry increases day by day, because you know do you know before times NT exam is leaked NEET exam is leaked. So it is a education system is low, and our UP police exam is leaked, also leaked. So this is a unemployment rate. So focus on uh, unemployment rate and education. Thank you.
Opinion, government have should also work on environment also. They just no government is working on environment just because trees are not giving votes, rivers are not doing protest, just because no government are focusing on environment. But if we see our environment is depleting day by day because of cutting of trees, urbanization day by day, urbanization also increases. If you will see around you, there is, I think, few villages are remaining, proper villages. Otherwise, urbanization has implement all the in all the villages. So I think I know urbanization is important for development, but we have to save our nature also to for our future generation, because if we deplete all the nature, then what are the resources our future nation consume? So I think government should also work on the environment.
And if I talk about India's development, I see it, I categorize in two portions. First is nationally, second is internationally. As I have talked about education system, unemployment, infrastructure, but internationally there must be need to work upon it, because I think foreign policy direct impact any nation's development. We have done many things in foreign policies. We have made good relation with America, Israel, as well as Russia also, but in this process we have lost our South Asian countries. Our we have totally failed in our neighborhood policy, so we need to work upon that. I would like to take also one example. North Korea is a atomic bomb country, but due to its bad foreign policy, it is not now still a developing country. It is underdeveloped country, as we can see in South Korea. It's due to its best foreign policy, now it has become developed country. So we need to work upon foreign policy. And let's take a side on our neighbor policy. In Pakistan, there is a negative relation. Afghanistan, Taliban has come. China, we have negative relation with it. Bangladesh, now anti-India party is rising. In Nepal, it has become neutral very. And if we look at Bhutan, even Bhutan's foreign minister visit China to deal with this Doklam area. And China, in Sri Lanka, China has come already, and Maldives we have seen what has done already. So we need to work upon this, because if we improve our foreign policy, it would generate the lot of sector in unemployment. Because India is the youngest country in the entire world. India government can start very skill programs. We can make huge groups, and we can send them in foreign policy. It's not a brain health. It's a NRI, which would increase the Indian foreign reserve. That is a healthy for India's GDP.
Another point, and that is if we are talking about the schemes, then we can see that the government has introduced many schemes in the last session. We can see this, but the problem is when we introduce the new schemes, then they are working in papers. Most of the schemes are working just in papers. They are not in working at the ground level. So we should make the whole process so transparent that they can work on ground level. If we are making schemes and they are not, they are just in paper, we are wasting our money, but they are not helping any person, then what is the profit of that? So I think we should make the process so transparent that it could be on ground level. Like there's a you have no there's a plan which is Kisan Samman Nidhi, which is directly linked to the farmer's account. So this is fair. This is fair. So I think all the things which are left should be like this, then transparency will be there, and we can develop.
I request in central government in save environment. These start new policy. These example in appeal in people in advertisement. Example in one one people grow in one plant in on birthday in 1 year. 114 crore plant in grow in India. These oxygen is high and no problem, and second reason is aware people is so appeal in save environment. Example in rainwater harvesting and education system. Some freedom fighter are lost in pages in history, and the only learn in history in Mughals. What is Mughals? Mughal only symbol of love and luxury life, no struggle in life, and struggle in all women freedom fighters. These example Avantibai Lodi, Ahilyabai Holkar. 90% restored the temple and construct the temple in India, and people government ban the Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev and Chandrasekhar Raja ban the history in class 8th. Government is create in उसको क्या कहेंगे non-violence create. So this is wrong. These example Karkori Kand and Chori Chora incident in 1922. This is right, but government is not showing and lost in history and only Mughal learn. This is wrong.
My suggestion is employment increase. How to employment increase? So government should be work on skilled center in in city by city started, like MSME. So we are increase skill, so employee rate increase skill, like software programs, uh, English speaking coachings, English speaking coaches. So we are work on our skill, so we can employment increase.
uh, I want to add some point as in sports, because cricket is popular because privatization, because there are so many companies who invest in cricket like Tata, before that Vivo and many others. In IPL they are investing more, and if you now one sport is also developing, which name is kabaddi, because private company are also invest in it also. So if private companies are invest in sports, or sports are come under privatization, so I think sports will grow in our country. And the second thing, sports is not growing because no one will be aware about other sports. They think there is no money or no profit uh, in other sports instead of cricket. So I think this mentality is also wrong. Government has to provide awareness to the people for these sports, as government new policy apply new policy. They applied new policy which name is Khelo India in 2018 for to growth of the village players who are not growing, and the uh, games who are playing in the villages like kabaddi, kho and many others. So I think government has to implement more policies on it also. So I think
Now I would like to add some other points. As he said, like we should change something in sports sector. Yeah. um, Now like most of the most of the sports are being played in our India, but they are not they are not they don't have more fame rather than cricket. Actually, and we one thing is this, like we should support villagers and we should support state level players also, because lack of the infrastructure and lack of the fund, they not be supported, and because of this reason they are not being supported, but they should be supported, and they can also win they can win so much medals, as I already told the industrial sector. So if like we can implement in it, like as we more of the as most of the factories produce the smoke, but smoke into the environment, and we can change in it, like we should trans transplantation क्या कर सकते हैं उसको हाँ recycle, we should recycle the smoke after uh, release into the environment, and like we should focus our innovation and technology sector also. We should promote MSMEs, enhancing the technology, as she also said.
Sports and other and games, like when we are studying in schools, so we have a subject of physical education. At in schools we only study about physical education, like theory, but school never lots of schools never make students play practically. They We all see, like board exams have a 80 marks of, sorry, 70 का वो होता है हाँ 70 marks have a written theory basis, and the 30% is practical. In the practical, teachers just take the files. It should be take by make them play the games and have a practical, like they are playing perfectly or not, they know about rules or not. It should also done.
Way forward, sir. Way forward. Yeah, we discussion. So in the entire conversation, we discussed about many topics that are education, unemployment, infrastructure, environment, technology, and sports. I think deals, accord, partnership can be the best solution. These are those things which can fulfill all requirements of these aspects. And recently, just example, recently Modi ji held a global investment summit in which we deals with the transformation of technology, sports infrastructure, education system, digitalization in education system. We talked about all these aspects. So I think this can be the solution, best solution. Thank you.